3 to the power of 2 minus 6 times 3. 3 to the power of 2 will give us 9. Then we have 9 minus 6 times 3. 9 minus 6 will give us 3. Then we have 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 9 is the wrong answer to this question because not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our exponents because it comes first. 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 9 minus 6 times 3. Now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We have to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 6 times 3 will give us 18. Then we have 9 minus 18. 9 minus 18 will give us a negative 9. Negative 9 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.